ALGORAND has been in this sideways phase for a while, but the crypto market looks fundamentally very strong and the chance of seeing higher prices in the future is extremely high. Hi, in this video I will talk about ALGORAND and share my price prediction for the future. Before we start with the content, join my free Telegram group. There, I share daily analysis of Bitcoin, ALGORAND and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. ALGORAND is currently ranked 61st among all cryptocurrencies with a market capitalization of $1.5 billion. After we saw the all-time high of nearly $3 in 2021, we got an extreme bearish sell-off, and ALGORAND's price has fallen below the recent lows in this demand zone here. First, there is a very bearish sign, but right after that, we saw a bullish rise and the earliest bullish signs in the higher timeline. The algorithm then managed to break this supply zone upwards, however, just with this doji. And often, when we see dojis above the last high, the chance is extremely high that we see liquid to grasp and then to make a move, looking at each other. However, in this case, we didn't see a larger bearish trend. That means we are still in a bullish structure with a higher high and a higher low. On the daily time frame, we can see that we have tapped into liquidity here, but have not seen a deeper body close below these lows. Because from this higher low, we've seen a bullish push upwards. We've formed a higher high, which has formed a bullish structure. And only when we break this low with a body close downwards, then the chances are high that we see lower prices. As long as we are only in this area and at most, wick below this low, the chances are high that we might see higher prices. And the chance is getting bigger that we'll see accumulation here and then a break to the upside and get the bullish breakout. And looking at the Bitcoin chart, we see that we are in a larger accumulation. However, after the latest, deepest, and then we saw a bullish push from the low and broke this last high towards the upside. That means right now, the chance is also high that we could see higher prices for Bitcoin. And fundamentally, from the Bitcoin spot, ETF inflows are about Trump's news. The fundamental view on crypto is obviously extremely strong, and the chance is high that we'll see higher prices for Bitcoin. And then, of course, there's also a high chance we'll see higher prices for altcoins, including ALGORAND. And from the current prices to the last high, we have a potential of over 70%. If we just see a liquidity grab here, the chance is high that then prices will drop again to the downside, and I would take profits here if I were long. If we break this last high towards the upside and find bullish acceptance here, then the chance is extremely high that we'll see even higher prices. And the really interesting price styles I've marked with little on the way to the all-time high. And from the current prices to the all-time high, we still have a potential of 1,400%. And I think ALGORAND is a very good project with an English title. Extremely high potential. So in the long term, I think that ALGORAND has great potential and that we are currently at very interesting entry points for the future. And if you don't want to miss any entry signals, then join my exclusive signal group. Here, I share all my real-time trading signals and my crypto spot buys and sales. Link in the description. All in all, I see high potential in ALGORAND and that we are currently at a very interesting entry point. It is important that we do not undercut these last lows here with a massive body close. As long as we don't break these lows, I think there's a high chance we'll see higher prices, and we also just have a very good risk to reward ratio. So folks, thanks for watching. I wish you much success in trading and see you in the next video.